Hey everybody, Omega Rider 99CX review. Today's review is RG Gunpla RH-72 Gundam model kit by Bandai Japan. And I should release this figure. Yeah, this might think my older brother gave me my Christmas present. But originally was SF Robo Chogoki SF Robo Fujiko Fujo. I will buy him. I promise that. Yeah, this figure is also Gundam series. Finally, RH-72 is the original first anime Gundam. Became released in late 70s, early 80s. The year. And it's released 79. Same year as Doraemon. I'm not kidding. Doraemon, a TV series, same channel too. TV Asahi in Japan. Also known as Nakoya TV. Gundam series 79 and however Saturday night only. Saturday alone Super Sentai Battle Fever J in Nakoya TV after Sunrise Anime before Gundam before. 77 release Sambo 3, 78 Titan 3, later 79 before Gundam. Yeah, I show you. Here's RH-72. Yeah, I'm really careful the part pieces really pop him out. I don't model kit. The head skull. Yeah, I used one sticker only eyes. Only I building. I just don't bother sticker. Also have plastic bag accessory. Also there's Guard Fighter. I cannot use a Guard Fighter. I lost a piece in. I cannot use his Beat Saber. This is a problem. Cannot neither. I use Snack Rival only. That one. Yeah, Gundam series RH-72 piloted by Amuro. In the show voiced by Japanese Toru Furuya and English dubby Brett Swelly. I know Ocean Glue in Canada voice dub. I love English dubby Gundam Canada. Yeah, I don't like Gundam English dubby. LA. I hate LA Gundam. It's terrible. LA. Better in Canada. And Gundam Wings was great English dubby. Yeah, Gundam first series is also the first Universal Century era. Universal. It was begins 0079 Gundam. Yeah, watch Gundam Origins later this series before. I will watch Gundam Origins complete. I will watch the original Gundam series. Yeah, piece. I'm sorry I lost them pieces. Like this. I lost them. Yeah, this figure articulation, the head 6 degree, it got up and down. Like waist swivel, that's it. The arm 6 degree, it got in and out. Bend the elbow. Look, did this. So, oh, sorry, popping out this piece. Booster, I hate this. Really careful. Along this one too, be careful. As I hate it. Also, the fist. Look, did this. Also, be careful fist, finger. We pop him out. I hate this piece. The articulation. The legs front and back. It cut in and out. Rotate this. Bend the knee. Articulation. The feet ankle up and down, side and side ankle. That's it. Articulation RH72 because really be careful. Accessory, I'm not sure. I already early plastic bag Gundam, but not including javelin, along hammer, mace. I know hammer is mace. It's we call hammer. There never is figure. However, in Robot Spirit, I will buy Robot Spirit Gundam. I promise. I already done a review before. Okay, stand up, Gundam. Yeah. Okay, this figure I recommended. Yeah, that was my Christmas present before. My present. Oh, comparison, he's Mario. Yes, I know, Toru Furuya, Mario 2, Toru Furuya boys. I'm not kidding. Yeah, this figure I recommended. This is my Christmas present before. My present. My brother gave me. Yeah. I'll be more Gundam review, more. Because I'm a huge Gundam fan. I love Gundam. Yeah. I watch anime, also watch a crossover game Gundam, Ultraman and Kamen Rider crossover too. Yeah, I miss RH72 Gundam statue Japan to replace Unicorn Gundam. RH0 Unicorn Gundam he replaced. Yeah, I miss RH72. Yeah, the last episode Gundam RH72 had destroyed the head along this one arm. It was destroyed. This figure I recommended. Yeah, check out my Facebook, follow my Twitter, and check out Omega Rider 99C at StarWarPlace.com. And don't forget email bell notification, click, and subscribe YouTube channel. Nakai Omega Rider 99C review signing out and thanks for watching. See you at next review.